This is 2022 AMC 10A, number 4. Okay, in some country, pure efficiency measured in this way, liters per 100 kilometers. The unit is what? Liters air over 100 kilometers. This is the unit. But other countries use miles per gallon, okay? Miles per gallon. Different, right? This is the liters of here. This is the gallons down of here, okay? So we have x miles per gallon of here. We have x miles per gallon, okay? This is 1 gallon, okay? We have 1 gallon of here. We're gonna change the unit liters per 100 kilometers, okay? So this is the distance is the numerator. This distance is the denominator. Maybe you can switch this one. It's okay too. 1 gallon to x miles. It's the same thing, okay? That's right. You can start from here. So now we're gonna use the converting ratio, okay? There's the equivalent of here. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer equals m miles. Okay, so you write multiple of here. Miles, denominator, opposite side also miles, okay? M miles. Okay. That is 1 kilometers. 1 kilometers. When you take a look over here, you can see that, okay, miles and miles out. Now you got like gallon over kilometers, okay? Now we're gonna change the gallons into the one liter, okay? Okay, keep going. Another converting ratio is over here. 1 gallon is L liter, okay? I'm gonna write that 1 gallon, that is equals to L liter, okay? So this is the conversion ratio over here. Because 1 gallon is over here, down over here 1 gallon, okay? 1 gallon equals L liters. That's it, okay? Now this gallon is out. Now simplify. M times L liters, okay? M times L liters. Over, this is, I don't know, X times 1 times kilometers, so X kilometers. That's it. But this unit is only liters per kilometer, not 100 kilometer, okay? So we're gonna change the unit again, times 100 over here, times 100. You must put times 100 numerator too, right? But this one cannot be here, right? This one liters, that's fine. So this is now liters per 100 kilometers. Now simplify, 100 times m times L over x, the unit over here, liters per 100 kilometers, okay? That's the answer over here. Choice is the answer, okay? This one we have to use the converting ratio, okay? Something like this one. If we have $10, $10. How many quarters in $10, for example, okay? I'm going to explain converting ratio, okay? Converting unit ratio, okay? Just like converting ratio. Now we know that $1 equals 4 quarters. So what is the converting ratio here? 4 quarter, that is equivalent to $1. And this ratio is called converting ratio, okay? Converting ratio. Because if dollar is over here, the other side should be dollar, okay? The unit. So this dollar canceled out. When you canceled out, you got what? 10 times 4Q is what? 40 quarters, okay? Yeah, this is the way we can change the unit, okay? So choice is the answer, okay? Movement number 5 over here. Square ABCD has a side length is 1. Point PQRS, it lies on side ABCD such that APQCRS is an equilateral convex hexagon with side length is S. Okay. So drawing is very important. Okay, because what drawing is not given. Okay. So this is I can say A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So PQRS on each side, maybe to make right hexagon, right? P is over here. The next one up here, Q, and R, something like this one, and S over here, approximate. Okay. So maybe we can connect all this point. AP, this one, we start from AP, PQ, over here, right? PQ, and the QR, no, QC first, right? QC, and the R, and the SA, right? Yeah, this is hexagon, right? But not, it looks not right. Looks not regular, but that is regular hexagon anyway, okay? All right, this side is S. Okay, all this side is S. All this side is S. So what is the value of S? Okay, the length of this one is 1. What is this side? 1 minus S. What is this side? 1 minus S2. Can you see that over here in this right triangle? Two legs that are equals. This is hypotenuse. This is a kind of isosceles, right? Isosceles triangles. You can apply Pythagorean theorem, or you can use a special right triangle. Okay, I'm going to use just Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so 1 minus S squared. Another 1 minus S squared. That is equals to S squared, right? So when you simplify this, 1 minus 2S plus S squared, twice another one over here. 2 minus 4 times S plus 2S squared. Twice of this equals S squared, okay? So 1S squared is out, we got this one. S squared minus 4S plus 2 equals 0. Okay? But this is not factorable. So we're going to find, okay, the value of S using quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? S equals negative b is what? 4 plus minus square root. 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times a is 1, c is 2 is 8 over 2. Okay, this is 4 plus minus this is 8. Looks like square 2 red 2 over 2. When you divide it by 2, 2 plus minus red 2 is less. Okay, but 2 plus red 2 is not working because this is greater than 1. All right, so s should be less than 1. Okay, this is 1. This is what? Part of what? 1. Okay, it should be less than 1. So this is not working. We take only what? 2 minus red 2 is okay. You know that 2 minus red 2 is 1.4142, right? Approximate. So approximate 0.6 something like that. Okay. So 2 minus red 2 is that. Okay. Or you can use special right triangles. This hypotenuse was square root 2 times s equals what? Square root 2 times 1 minus s. Okay. From using this one, you can find the value of s. Okay. That is the same as this number.